Hey everyone, Ishan Sharma here, and before I start this video, I just want to let everyone know that I have really been motivated by what Aman Bhaiya has created, and he is pretty much a big motivation for me to start my own YouTube channel. Okay, so yeah, I'm a huge fan of the work that he has put out, and so I just thought I would like to devote one YouTube video entirely on him and what all I've learned from him and his complete journey. Okay, so with that, let's start this video. Now, if you go and take a look at his YouTube channel, he has about 2.5 million subscribers on his main YouTube channel, and he also runs some other channels as well. तो वो basically अपनी कक्षा, अपना college, ये basic channels run करते हैं, and he has a huge chunk of audience over there as well. So a lot of you might be thinking कि how was he able to create this huge audience? How was he able to create this community of people that want to hear what he has to say? So I feel that I do know something about this क्योंकि मैं उनकी वीडियोस को काफ़ी टाइम से देख रहा हूँ. I remember when I used to be in 11th grade, तब से उनकी सारी वीडियोस को मैं देख रहा था, and I've really learned a lot from him, and his personal brand has changed throughout the years. And so I just want to talk about exactly उन्होंने क्या क्या किया. I have a list of what all he has done, so hopefully this video would be helpful for all of you and you will get some motivation out of this video. Okay guys, so it was mid of 2015 when he posted his first video, and that was just on CBSE and basic exams boards. And then he just started talking about his college life and things related to college, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो college में आते हैं and they have no idea about what all they should be doing. So you know, he just shared what all he has learned from his own experience. वो उस टाइम पे second third year में थे, तो वो basically वीडियो बनाते थे on उनके college की stories थी, उनका first day at college, videos on you know what all should you bring to college, what all should you how should you prepare for hostel, how should you groom yourself, how should you present yourself. So yeah, he just started sharing every single thing that he knew. He started talking about computer science, started talking about placements. Now, one big point in his YouTube journey was when he started talking about college reviews. So college reviews is a field in which a lot of people were creating college reviews at that time as well, but the good part about his college reviews is that he presents facts and not opinions. काफ़ी बार जब हम लोग किसी चीज़ को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे होते हैं तो वी हैव आवर ओन बायसेस, वी हैव आवर ओन ओपिनियंस, तो वो प्रोजेक्ट हो जाते हैं उसके ऊपर. सो ही डिडंट लेट दैट हैपन. ही क्रिएटेड दीज वीडियोज़ इन विच ही वॉज एबल टू प्रेजेंट द फैक्ट्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल, एंड सो एवरी वन वॉज एबल टू decide if they want to go for this college, if they want to skip it, or if this college is worth it for them. तो ये इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से किया था, and I think that the one great part about his content is that it's very much relatable. ठीक है, मेरे को भी जब मैं उनकी वीडियोस देख रहा था तो मेरे को लगता था कि बेसिकली ये एक मेरे बड़े भाई हैं, and I was like the eldest kid in my house. Okay, so I didn't have elder brother to ask and take advice from. So basically he was this elder brother that I can just go up to on YouTube and I can just watch his videos and I can take some of his advice. So I think that is what has really helped him out throughout the years. He has always been this bada bhai who all of us can take a look at. We can learn from him and his learnings. So that has been really amazing. And yeah, he just started creating these college reviews, and that's when a lot of his channel took off. And he also started interviewing people on the day they gave their board exams. I remember I was in 2019. I gave my own boards, and every single day I had that board exam. वो basically एक video बनाते थे wherein he would just go to those exam centers and he would just take some raw reviews of what people have to say for that particular exam. So like that's what he started doing, and that really helped him to gain that engagement, gain that numbers. And soon he was able to hit the 1 million subscriber mark. So that is when he started to little bit change himself. He started to create some other sort of content, and that was mainly into motivation type. He started doing these seminars. तो बेसिकली वो बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस में जाकर के सेमिनार्स कंडक्ट करते थे, और वहाँ से वो अपने बेसिकली लोगों को बताते थे कि क्या चीज़ करनी चाहिए कॉलेज में, कैसे हाउ कैन यू मैक्सिमाइज योर कॉलेज लाइफ बेसिकली. ठीक है, तो दैट्स व्हाट ही स्टार्टेड डूइंग, एंड दैट वाज रियली अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट लेवल. क्योंकि अप टिल नाउ बेसिकली बहुत सारे दूसरे कॉलेज यूट्यूबर्स भी थे जो वीडियोज़ बनाते थे, बट he differentiated himself when he started creating videos and when he started doing these seminars in colleges. Okay, तो ये एक काफ़ी बड़ा point था, and then something very unfortunate happened. His brother went missing. but yeah, every single creator on the platform started just sharing this news and asking for help, and successfully his brother was found, so that was a good thing. And that was also the time when they started creating videos on Java, on C++, and the complete placement series he created with Anuj Bhaiya. तो उनका ही दूसरा चैनल था, उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था, and that was called अपनी कक्षा. And over there he started just putting out these videos on how can you learn Java, how can you crack these big tech companies interviews basically. So that was another huge point, because before this point there wasn't a lot of people who were creating Hindi content on how to crack these big tech companies. They were not talking about data structures and algorithms. So he was one of the few people who understood the needs of the market, and that's what I like about what he has done. उन्हें basically जो भी market की need है उसको समझा कि ठीक है, एक जो भी 11th या 12th में बच्चा होता है उसकी क्या needs होती हैं, what does he really want, what does he she really want. तो उनको कॉलेज रिव्यूज़ चाहिए होते हैं, उनको बेसिकली कोडिंग से रिलेटेड कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए होती है, एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ही डिड इन 2019. सो इमेजिन दिस, ओके, दिस बेसिकली 2 टाइप्स ऑफ कंटेंट. नंबर 1 इज़ जो मेरे को पसंद है, दिस इज़ द कंटेंट दैट आई वांट टू क्रिएट एज अ क्रिएटर, और यहाँ पे आता है वो कंटेंट जो कि मेरी बेसिक ऑडियंस को अच्छा लगता है, द थिंग दैट दे वांट. और उनका बेसिकली ये था कि ही वॉज एबल टू create exactly what the market wanted, and that is why he was able to grow to such huge numbers, right? And then he also became an educator and an academy. That was another huge way for him to impact people, and in that he just started doing these live sessions in which he would be taking physics classes. So this has been an amazing journey, and उन्होंने काफ़ी सारे लोगों को impact किया है, काफ़ी सारे लोगों को उन्होंने डायरेक्शन दिया है, काफ़ी सारे लोग, जैसे कि मैंने भी काफ़ी कुछ सीखा उनसे. उन्होंने बहुत सारी एक सीरीज़ बनाई थी बेसिकली ऑन हाउ टू स्टार्ट विद फ्रीलांसिंग, हाउ टू लर्न दीज स्किल्स. ओके, तो मुझे पहले पता नहीं था कि एग्जैक्टली क्या क्या करना चाहिए इफ़ आई वॉन्ट टू मेक मनी व्हाइल इन कॉलेज, एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. नो वन रियली टीचेज यू दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, एंड ही वॉज वन ऑफ द फ्यू पीपल टू कम आउट एंड जस्ट शेयर हिज complete experiences, what he has learned. So yeah, that's pretty much how he was able to get to where he is right now. और अभी he also started a new channel, it's called Apna College, and over there he also creates videos related to college students. So this has been a really incredible journey, and yeah, I really learned a lot from him. And recently he started creating these animated videos in which he would teach concepts that people want to learn, like things like calculus, things like chemistry, and so all of these things he is now creating by using animations. So that's really incredible, kyunki again, he's not charging you anything, so that's a huge benefit that all of us have. We can consume the free content that he has available. There's no business strategy that he has right now, which is kind of strange. I don't understand. I like to take a look at what other people do, how do they monetize on the audience, and he has been very different. उन्होंने कभी भी he hasn't created something exclusive, क्योंकि बहुत सारे कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स होते हैं वो बोलते हैं बेसिकली कि दिस इज़ द कंटेंट फॉर द फ्री ऑडियंस एंड दिस इज़ द कंटेंट दैट आई वांट टू क्रिएट फॉर माय पेड ऑडियंस, पीपल हु वांट टू पे टू सी व्हाट आई हैव टू से. So this has been a really amazing reason that he has created this trust among people. So हाँ, मतलब basically that's all he has done. I hope this video was helpful to all of you to understand how he is able to create this huge brand for himself. Recently he has moved more into motivation from education, although he does create educational content, but all of us have seen his videos on honest talks, and like basically he has become this person who motivates you to go out there and do something with your own life. Now this is nothing new in particular. बाकी बहुत सारे content creator हैं, बाकी दूसरे बहुत सारे businessmen हैं, जैसे कि for example Tony Robbins, you have Gary Vaynerchuk, you have Les Brown, and many other motivational speakers are available, but the problem is that he is able to contextualize it for the audience. So that becomes completely unique, that becomes completely different. The examples he uses is very much relatable to every single person in India who is watching his videos. So yeah guys, that has pretty much been it. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you got some motivation out of this video. उनके बहुत सारे दूसरे fan channels भी बने हुए हैं. Basically उनके जो भी fans हैं, they create these channels on which they upload short clips of whatever he has been saying on video, right? So that's pretty much it. Also for the 1% chance, अगर अमन भैया देख रहे हैं वीडियो को, thank you so much भैया. आपने basically you have given me this motivation, this desire to go out there and do something different. And you know, like I just want to say thank you for helping me out and helping, you know, hundreds and lakhs of other people out as well. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also follow me on Instagram. I post there pretty much daily. But yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.